All right, guys, let's talk about this right here. So, what I got going on here on this patio is what you call a hardscape. I knew that as soon as I got on this right here, I was going to get a lot of noise on the outside. I knew that would happen. But this right here is what you call a hardscape. And on a house at this caliber, guys, when you get up to the 7, and I didn't know this, and I just started paying more attention to little things like this right here. But guys, when you get up to $700,000-$800,000 homes, you can't just come back here and just do concrete. You just can't. You can't do it. It's you know, and pour it with the slab, especially if you're on the slab. I knew they'd be doing that right there. But let me kind of go around here. So that's what we got, man. We're gonna have a and I'm gonna stop it right there with, and then I'm gonna do a little fence right here. But this is what we got, guys, and we're gonna have a hardscape. But there's more to it than what you guys are actually looking at. There's much more to it. Guys, I put a drainage system. See all the water? So you got water that's going, that water's going that way. This water's coming around here. I'm taking all this water off the roof, off these gutters. And we're gonna take this water in each one of these downspouts, go into a drainage system. And that drainage system routes all the way around here. See right here, we're gonna take this downspout, go straight down, get into a drainage system. So we're taking the water off the roof. We got another one right here. We're taking it down and we got it into a drainage system, a 6-inch pipe, and we shooting it out right over here. So we got this right here. We got it coming over here. And then we got one behind, we got a French drain behind the wall, but we got that pipe right there is gonna take that water off the roof out that way. Now, here's something else. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is so that this water doesn't have an impact. So you can see what it's gonna look like. So say for instance, this right here, this downspout is taking this water, boom, channel that water down here, and it comes out back over here, and then we got another one that comes out over here. So this guy right here, we got it channeled out, coming out over here. I think I got one, well, I'm gonna have one more right here. So this right here is this downspout is gonna come down, it's gonna get into this guy, and we're gonna take that one out too. Now, that's all the water on the roof, guys. So the water on the roof, let me let you just look at this right here, it's gonna go into that. So, but now, as you see this right here, guys, you know, right behind me, you got a lot of rock, but also right behind me, guys, it's a lot of trees. These trees gonna drop a lot of leaves. So what we did was, to make sure that nothing but water gets in there, is we came here, I don't know if you can see it right now, it's probably sweating right here. On the gutters, man, we got our gutter guards. So we got a lot of rain on that. But we got gutter guards so that the leaves are not gonna clog up. The leaves are not gonna clog up our piping system that we have here. So our piping system that we have draining here, we're not gonna have to worry about the leaves and stuff getting in that piping system and clogging it up over time. So that takes care of that. That takes care of that. Also, guys, you notice this right here? So this is a good hardscape, man. This is what you want it to look like, man. It looks like a little bit more time was taken. Instead of, in most cases, guys, well, I've seen guys take an expensive house and they'll go in and they'll do, for something like this right here, they'll go in and do, just pour this with the slab. So this and the slabs pour at the same time, and they'll do a broom finish on this right here, which I think that's not the way to go, guys. Just go ahead and spend the extra money and do this right here. And not only that, guys, but we have a fall that goes here and channel everything's right here. So any water that doesn't come off the roof, all the water on the roof is gonna get channeled in here. So I've noticed that it has rained for the last couple of days, and this is much better than it was before. I think I got some pictures of before, man, that it was just full of water out here, man, because this right here was holding water. Water was coming back here, coming off the roof. It was getting over here. But this right here is much drier. It's rained a couple of days now. The water's moving this way if it moves. But here's another thing, guys. The water, this right here is the impervious surface. I'm sorry. It's open. So now you notice I can kind of move this right here, but this not gonna be like this. We're gonna come spray. They got some stuff you can spray on this right here, and this hardens, so you won't be able to grab rocks and move it like this. It'll be just like this right here. But it also is gonna be impervious. Well, non-impervious? No, it's gonna be impervious or permeable. I guess you can say it like that. But the water will be able to drain through this rock, go to the ground. Any water that's coming, bulk water, in case you got a rain coming this way, that water still be able to drain down and get in the ground, and then it still be able to go over that way. So I think this is the way to go, guys. And on that, this right here just gives us a much better look, man. Just a much better look than just coming here and just pouring concrete, man. And guys, the cost is it's probably not that much of a difference, man. Something like this right here will probably run me about $4,000. If I poured it with concrete, if I had to deal with a pump truck and all that kind of stuff, it would have been about the same thing. So you gotta pick your battles, man. But that just looks much better, guys. It's just a much better look. Makes it look more expensive. We're gonna have it the same way right here. So this right here is just a much better look. We have it going that way. Just a much better look. We'll probably put some little bushes right there, man, but just a much better look, man. Just a much more expensive look. And it's better, much better than just having concrete and water can't move through it, okay? We're getting this right here centered, guys, so I do have it centered now. There we go. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one.